rewind to that previous chapter. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. I am Madison Page, if you're new here. It is Wednesday, October 1st. Happy October. I ran a marathon on Sunday, so it's only been a few days. I am feeling way more human though, the last couple days. Bit of a corpse, and I'm letting you know now, I will be losing both big toenails. Yeah. But I thought, with it being October 1st, with myself entering a new chapter, a new season with the marathon behind me, we would do a little monthly reset vlog, a little body reset, mindset, space, all the different things, because I need it. I need it, okay? It is already 11 a.m. I, this morning, had therapy. You guys, you know, I'm an advocate for investing in yourself, and therapy is like something I've been doing since I was about knee-high to a grasshopper. It's just something which I'm so grateful for, just to invest in yourself and to learn from why you might perceive things the way that you do. And yeah, it's just a common ritual that I've kept up, and I love it, even though, like today, uncomfortable. We entered uncharted territory, and I feel vulnerable. It always ends up being for my greater good. So after therapy, I went to the mall. I had to make some returns. And then of course, I had to get my new deadly eyebrow combo, which, let me share with you, you're gonna wanna hear this. First, let's set the scene. Eyebrows, coarse, dark, prominent, loud. So I need a eyebrow gel that is firm, that doesn't dry white, that lasts. And this is the combo for you. Sephora Collection eyebrow pencil. I love myself a Sephora Collection find. Are you kidding me? It's so cheap and it's so good. And then the eyebrow gel of the hour, Rare Beauty, their Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel is just chef's kiss. And then of course I did pick myself up another cappuccino, because caffeine, I feel like we can't have too much. Other than they took the extra hot real serious today, because she's boise. But let's head home now. We gotta do some resetting. I'm literally hobbling around town right now, but a bit of a plot twist. Spencer and I are out running some errands. Then tonight we actually have a dinner at my mom and dad's for a late birthday celebration for Nick, Kaylee's boyfriend, and an early one for Kaylee, my sister. So we are just running around some errands for that, but we're also gonna grab a snack, because as part of my monthly reset, I'm gonna share with you my monthly goals. One of which being better about my nutrition, because one, I've just not really cared so much about like the quality of food, because I've had to just eat so much food with all this marathon training. So cooking at home is a new goal. Okay, now we are going to the grocery store for our monthly reset grocery haul. Just a little treat, you know? So now we've decided we're gonna go to Costco too. This is turning into a very large trip, but I gotta just muster up the energy and get her done. Second grocery shop of the day, we're at Costco. Because it's kind of superior, especially for fruits, veggies, and protein.
They're huge.
These are the size of my eyeball. I buy them for you and you don't cut them up. Tisk tisk. Shit tickets? Purex. Premium. Cushion the butthole. Okay, we just got back from our grocery shopping, so now we're gonna clean out the fridge and put all of the groceries away. I'll do a little haul. Spencer's already started cleaning out the fridge. Okay, these are all dirty, so it's gone bad. did just get a panini press, so I got some gluten-free bread, gluten-free granola. I've been loving like yogurt berry granola bowls in the morning. Spencer got some mini guacs, which I'll definitely be dabbling in. Some asparagus, a lot of ground beef. Then we got a massive top sirloin, so we have steaks for years. Avocados. Oh, another bag of granola. Spencer and I are both just motivated to be on a super plain eating plan, but plain in the way where it's predictable and easy to get our groceries so we can basically be very consistent with all 3 of our meals for an extended period of time. So we're basically doing granola, yogurt, berry bowls in the morning, chicken and rice for lunch, and then beef, sweet potato, cottage cheese in the evening. But then I'm also gonna play around with like an egg sandwich because my panini press, are you kidding me? And I'm obsessed with sandwiches right now. I don't know. Lots of cottage cheese. I swear cottage cheese from Costco is superior. And then we got a ton of berries. So blueberries, blackberries. So I'm gonna start putting this all away and then I'll show you our haul. We also went to M&M Meats and we went to Save on Food. Okay, and then our Save on Foods haul. This popcorn, Swiss Miss, it's like hot chocolate popcorn from Baby Chick Pop. It's way too good. Spencer loves the white cheddar puffs. We doubled up because why the heck not? And then Spencer just got a shat ton of yogurt. Okay, the kitchen is all refreshed. Our fridge is full, which is amazing. I did get a little package, so I thought we would open it together. I have a paralyzing fear of cardboard cuts. Hello. Look at all the Ilia, the base face milk. I want to try that so bad. The multi-stick, lip liners, powder brush, shadow brush, multi-stick. Oh, it's a different shade, so I got At Last and All of Me. Sculpting brush, mascara, and Dear Ruby in the multi-stick, and a buff brush. Oh my gosh. Ilia is like one of my favorite brands. Aww, that was so fun. Also, I'd be lying if I said I haven't broken into the Swiss Mix. I've kind of been eating whatever, like leading up to the marathon just because I wanted to get in all the calories that I could, and post because I'm like, my body's broken. I'm gonna give myself this for another day or so, and then it's time to get back on a program. Also, some home updates. We did finally get a dining table. We have yet to find dining room chairs, so that's next. And then this is new. We just got this little hallway runner, which I really like. It is crazy how bad my toes hurt from that freaking marathon. But commence, freshen up the bed as part of our monthly reset. I do wash my sheets obviously more than once a month. I'm like a every 10 day, I'd say, like every week and a half I wash them. Yeah. Should I wash them more? I don't know. Spencer has recently gotten, one, an Amazon addiction, but also really inspired to kickstart his wellness journey. He says we're getting healthy from the inside out, and so I'm making him show you guys his purchases.
Loops.
No one knows
They're
what
sleeping earbuds. Like, apparently they're really good for sleep. These ones specifically.
Spencer wasn't kidding when he said he's been getting bad sleeps, and I actually might be the reason why. So he's buying all of the different tools to try and get good sleeps. So yeah, these like what are those called? Like earplugs. Earplugs, not earbuds.
And then I got this is my favorite thing, I think. Feels like Christmas or my birthday or something. These Paige's mom has these, and I tried them at Christmas, and I haven't stopped thinking about them since.
They're like, are they eye massagers?
Yeah, it's like plays music, it massages your eyes, it heats your eyes. So.
Whoa! So he can get zen before he hits the sack, and maybe put the phone away a bit early. Oh gosh, here we go. We got a whole tutorial.
Yeah,
Oh wow, DND. Oh yeah, there he goes.
And then they massage your eyes.
Wow, yeah, you need that.
Those are sweet.
Yeah, those are really cool.
Okay.
They're actually really, really neat. I think you can get them at Best Buy or I guess on Amazon.
And then I got a filter for my ice bath.
Oh, he ordered an ice bath?
Because I had an ice bath before and it always got bugs and dirt.
It's almost 5 o'clock the next day, but I ended up going home last night and just having that quality time with my family. I honestly feel like I really needed it because I feel like I have the post-marathon blues. Like I did not anticipate this. I'd kind of heard about it before the marathon, but I was like, I don't know, like maybe not me, you know? No, it's me. Yeah, I've been down in the dumps. I think the fact that my body's also in so much physical pain is just a constant reminder of the chapter that ended and how the marathon went and all the different things. Have we even talked about the marathon? Maybe we need to do that first. Quick little story time. I made the biggest rookie mistake that you can make when you run a marathon. I started way too fast. I had a plan. I did not follow the plan. I got way too excited. I did the first 21 kilometers at about a 4:40, I would say. And then I had an anxiety attack that I wouldn't be able to finish the race. I had committed to running a marathon. I told all of you I was running a marathon. I told myself I would run a marathon. The anxiety came from a place of, oh my gosh, I've never ran this fast for this far. What if I expend all of my energy and I'm not even able to finish the marathon after I've told so many people that I'm running a marathon? So my anxiety attack pretty much choked me, ran out of oxygen, emotions flooding, had to dial it back. And so if any experienced runner saw my running splits, they would look at me and say, you look like you have no idea what you were doing. I knew what I should do, I just didn't do it. That is where the disappointment comes from. I still finished in my target window. My whole training plan had me preparing to run a 3:45 to like a 3:50 race, and I came through at 3:48. I really think I could have done better, but it's our first one. We live and we learn. Which leads me to my October goals. Because this is a monthly reset, it's also kind of a life reset because we're saying goodbye to that previous chapter. So let's ring in the new monthly goals. I've written them down because this is serious business. But number 1 is to eat at home more. I want to focus on nutrient-dense whole foods. I want to focus on the quality that I'm putting into my engine for more optimal energy output. I feel like leading up to the marathon, I was just literally eating as much as I could of whatever I could because for the first half of my training program, I was under eating. So for the second half, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna eat my face off. And I think for the season, that was the reason that I needed to eat like that. And now my gut, my hormones, they need some tender loving care. And we're gonna do that with some nutrient-dense whole foods. As a sub goal to that, I really wanna focus on my hormone health. I'm someone who has PCOS, and marathon training and PCOS, they're enemies. And there are so many factors. My body is communicating with me that she's unhappy. My cycle is so irregular. It's not even funny. Like, I think my last cycle was almost 90 days, which is, we need to give her the attention and care she deserves. Second monthly goal is to show up as the woman that I want to become. I am someone with a super busy mind. My mind operates so fast, almost to a fault, where I get in my own head and I overthink. And I feel like with the marathon, I wasn't putting as much energy into my mindfulness practices. So now that I have more time and energy to put back into that, I'm making it a goal. My mind's quite loud, and she just needs to kind of shut up. And how she shuts up is with love and acknowledgement and just being really present with myself again, which I do through meditating, walks, journaling, all the different types of things. We're getting back on track. last but not least, this one really ties in with the previous two, I feel like, but anchor in a nighttime routine. I want one to become second nature, to just protect my peace before bed, help improve my restfulness, to improve the quality of my sleep, put the phone away, allow my mind the time to just chill, be present with myself, and then wake up all bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, ready to attack the day. Sometimes I feel like I'm waking up tired in the morning, which is literally such a pet peeve, so I think a nighttime routine will really help. Now for the rest of the evenings, I'm actually going to a local jewelry event. Lavender and Grace, they're launching a new collection, so we are gonna go and check out their new pieces, maybe pick something up. I'm bringing Spencer with me. I'm not doing too much. I feel like I kind of have a cold coming on and my toe is throbbing. I did not anticipate so much toe destruction in all of this, but we're getting better at least. We're on the up. Part of me is like, is this too cash? Is this too casual? I'm just wearing leggings and a fleece. I'm not even wearing a shirt, which I should probably put on. Maybe.
Ready to rock, folks.
Ready, set, let's roll. Ready, set, let's ride. Okay, I got my co-pilot here. I really feel like I have a cold coming on because my eyeballs are like closing. I feel like this vlog, my energy has just been so depleted. But understandably so, I guess. But my apologies. We are going to something fun now. Lavender and Grace, they are having a little launch party for their new collection. There are these really cute, like croissant looking gold earrings that I think I want to get. New jewelry for a new month. Bada bing, bada boom.